Hello and very warm welcome to Swift Tutorials. I am your tutor for this video and hope you are doing great. In today's video we are going to learn how to create iCarousel effect in Swift 4 and we will use UICollectionView for this. In the end of this video we will achieve something like this. Here you can see the iCarousel effect. Like this is a walkthrough screen, simple, with the center item is highlighted and the rest two items are scaled down a little bit. So we will going to achieve this in this video, and let's start. For this we will use this nice library UPCarouselFlowLayout, and it is very nice to create a carousel effect using UICollectionView in Swift. So let's start. We will create a new Xcode project and we will select single view application template. We will name it iCarousel effect, language will be Swift, press next, and here we will save it to our folder iCarousel effect, and here we go. So here in Xcode created us a default single view application template. So for first just drag and drop UICollectionView to your view controller, and we will give it a constraint. It's 50 and 0 from here, 0 from here, and 100 from the bottom. Sorry, 100 from the bottom. And here we go. Our collection view is done. And here we will change the background color of this class to a little bit like this. Here we can see this color. What is light gray color? Here this is light gray color. Or you can see 248, 248, 248, red, blue, green. And here we will make our collection view background colors to be clear color, so that, and here it is. Now just go to view controller.swift and create an IB outlet. IB outlet we where walk to collection view, and here our walkthrough collection view is of type UI collection view. Here we go. Now let's connect this main.storyboard, because I always forgot these kind of things, and here we done. Now walk collection view is connected, and now we need to create a cell class, collection view cell class, and we will go attach class, and here we will choose UI collection view cell class. Here you can see the type of lesson, and here we say walk through collection view cell. Also create xiv for the same. Next, and create, and open your walk through collection view cell class, and here we will create our interface, and here we go, and that will look like this one. Here for this, first we will drag and drop our UI view, and here we go. We'll give it a constraint of 10, 10, 10, and 10, and now we will drag and drop a UI image view for this. Here we will place it horizontally in the center, and top will be plus 30, and height will be 150 will be width, 150 will be height, and then just drag a label, that is title label. Here we go, this is title label, and 0, and here we go top from image view. Here you can see the image view, and 50, and here we go. We will center it, and font will be a bold font, make it a little bigger, and again for subtitle drag a label here and make it like this, 15 from here, and 0 from here, 0 from here, and here we go center. Okay, now we need to create IB outlet for the same, and here the IB outlet do the same, so it will take less time. Open this, open your walkthrough collection view Swift class, oh sorry, XIV class, and referencing outlet for our image view, and here I am GV walk through, and for our view right click on here and new referencing outlet, and it's a CNT view connect. You can do this using inspectors too. Here we will go here and connection inspector, and here you can see new referencing outlet. Just drag and drop it here, and we will LBL title, and same for the subtitle. Here goes, and here LBL subtitle. So now our XIV is created for our cell class, and now the next for us is to give a shadow to our content view. Okay, for this we will do this thing, this page q.main.async, and here we get self.cntview.layer.shadow color is equals to UIColor dot gray dot CG color, and self dot cntview dot layer dot shadow opacity is by default 0, so we will say 0.5. Self dot cntview dot layer dot shadow offset is equals to 10.0, and self dot cntview dot layer dot shadow offset is equals to, oh here's not shadow opacity, this is shadow opacity, not offset, is equals to dot 0, and self dot cntview dot layer dot shadow path is equals to UI bezier path, and here is rect, and self dot cntview dot bounds dot cg path single dot cg path, and self dot cntview dot layer dot rasterize, should rasterize is equals to true. So here we are done with shadow, and now open view controller.swift. Here we need to code our UI collection view flow layout and the delegate and data shorts for the same. So for the flow layout we are going to use this class UPCarouselFlowLayout. You can visit this link. I am going to share this link in the description of this video, and you can either use pods because it supports pods too, and if you want to do manually then just clone or download this code from zip file here, and then so I will do it manually, and I already downloaded this file here in my download section, and here it goes, and here it is. So here it is UPCarouselFlowLayout.swift, and I need to drag it drop to my project, and here I dragged it to my project, copied item, and also add to target, and here it's finished. So now I need to create the flow layout for the same. So first we will do our register our walkthrough collection view art register. For nib it's UINib dot init with nib name, bundle will be nil, and here its reuse identifier is walk through identifier, and here cell class we will put this. So here we go. Now we need to create the select flow layout is equals to UPCarouselFlowLayout flow layout. Here it is, and now we will set to its properties. For now let's take a look at the properties. So here he says that you can give an item size and then assign the flow layout. Display flow UPCarouselFlowLayout collection view flow layout. So let's first start the item size. Flow layout dot item size is equals to CG size, and here we will give a width of UI screen dot main dot bounds dot size dot width, and width we will say minus 60. This is because we want to have 3 items to be shown when app launch, or whenever a certain item is in the center and it has 2 items on left and right. So if I give whole width, then it will not show these 2 items. Okay, so width system, and here we will say walk through collection view dot frame dot size dot height, and here we are done with flow layout item size. Now we need to set the rest of the properties for this, and like this he mentioned here all the properties: item scale, item alpha, item shift, and spacing mode. So here item scale default is 0.6, and we can change it, that is scale of the left and right items. Here he said the shrinking ratio of collection items which are not in the center, and set item alpha and item alpha of the ratio of the collection opacity, that how visible they are. So let's see. First we will give our flow layout a direction, flow layout dot scroll direction is equals to horizontal, and now we will give flow layout dot scaling mode is equals to, scaling mode will be equals to 0.8 for example, and the flow layout dot, sorry, it's spacing mode we have to do set aside item scale 0.8, and now we will need to set item alpha is equals to 1.0 because we don't want it we don't want it a transparent, we don't want it opaque, we know it's a transparent. And lastly we need the spacing mode, that is space between the 2 item flow layout dot spacing mode is equals to dot fixed, that is we want fixed not overlapped, and fixed will be space will be give it 5.0 for example for the right now. And last thing we do are assign this flow layout to our collection view box to collection view dot flow layout is called collection view flow layout, collection view flow layout, or collection view layout is equal to flow layout. And here done last, now it's time to implement our delegate and data source method. So walk through collection view dot delegate is equals to self, and walk through collection view dot data source is equals to self, and here is confirming these protocols: collection view delegate UI collection view data source, and here we say UI collection view delegate and data source method. So here he also provide an example if you go to here, UICarousel flow layout demo, you click on this, and he also provides an example, and you can open this view controller.swift file. It's already opened this tab, and here you can see he used his own. So here we will implement these methods. Let's copy this thing first. It's collection view delegate and data source methods, and here it will return number of items. For example, we will return 5, and now the cell, let's so here we go. Here we need to define our cell. Let cell is equals to walk through collection view dot deq reusable cell with identifier. This at index path is index path, and here we will copy this identifier, and here we will say return cell, and here we will assign cell dot lbl. Here we need to specify that it is walk through collection view cell, and here we say lbl title dot text is equals to title is index path dot row plus 1, and same goes for subtitle. We say subtitle, and here we run. And for image, I have an image here. Desktop is walkthrough.png. I just done and copy it, and here I will assign to my image walkthrough.png and say expect fit. Okay, now if I run a app here, what will happen? Let's see. One more method if you want to detect the selected item. Yeah. Here our app is running, and here you can see it's nice effect, and there is one thing we didn't give radius. Here we say self.cntview.layer.corner corner radius is equals to 13.0. So here you can see the nice gradual effect here and here. So here we create, and now here you can see whenever I scroll, or you can see it's light gray, not gray, so it will looks more nicer. So here you can see. So now if I click on this item, here it prints that whatever item is selected, the third item is selected. And if you want to detect the page size, then he provides a new method here. There is scroll view did select. Here it's a property current page, when you need to copy this, and here we can say this. For this, one thing needed is these two methods, that is current page and this is the page size. Okay, now here you need to copy this and page size, and here you can see the current page. Here I will print current page at center is equals to current page. Now where we need to change self dot walkthrough collection view, and here to walkthrough collection view. Here let's see, I change it and you can see page at center is equal to first, that is this one, first index, and it's second index, third index, and it's fourth index. So here in this video you learn how to make a iCarousel using UICollectionView and UPCarouselFlowLayout, UPCarouselFlowLayout, and I will share the link of that GitHub repo in my videos, more description, more info. And if you have any question, then please feel free to write them in the comment section below. And if you like our video, then please do share this video and give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so that you can get future updates for our new video release. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.